Hello friends, today we are going to talk about how to install PyCharm free version and how to import library in the PyCharm. So go to browser and type PyCharm, download, and yeah, this is the jetwins.com. Download PyCharm, Python IDE for professional developers. Yeah. So when I was in second year, I was first how to import library in the PyCharm or which version I will download, professional or community. So you have to download community versions. Don't try to professional version. So you download community version. This is the open source. Okay, I have already downloaded. So when you was download and you have installed in the your system, then open your hit the PyCharm and open this type of window. So create new project and give the location and project name. So please wait. Yeah, so this is the location. You can change if you want where you want to locate your project. So and change the name. I am changing test checked. Okay, this is the name of the project and this is the location, user MacBook PyCharm projects. Okay, and create. After that it will load the all libraries, Python libraries in the PyCharm, and after that we will look out the how to install library in the PyCharm like OpenCV, NumPy, all that. Okay, so close this window. This is the creating a virtual environment. Yeah, so in this tutorial we will learn only how to which version download PyCharm and how to install the library and how to use images in the using Python language in the library. So Python is the very best and it is a very good language for machine learning and AI to do the project. I have already created so many projects. You can see my videos in previous videos, and you can take the project, you can do itself. Okay, so please wait, this is installing, it will take a time. So yeah, when I was in second year, I was first how to install something like that. Then I was when I googling the my question, then I got my answer. After that I learn how to something like that. So you can look at this window, how to install library PyCharm in PyCharm, OpenCV Python, OpenCV NumPy, Matplotlib, and next tutorial I will teach you how to import the images, videos in the command prompt window in using Python language. So it is a very easy part when you will learn. Then okay, I have done. So you can see here, this is the project name. Okay, and this is the virtual environment. Okay, so now what you will do, add configuration. So go to setting, file, because when you file new file and Python file. Okay, and give the file name test1.py. okay, yeah, suppose I am giving us taking a simple example, name Anand, Rahul Diksha. That's it. Then I will print full name names. Print name. Okay, save that. When you will run, it will give the error. Okay, so how to solve? So this is not taking your add configuration. So go to file and open the setting, import setting. Sorry, file, what happened? Yeah, so yeah, file, yeah, other setting, performance for new project, preferences for new project. Okay, so already created Python 3.7. I have installed Conda version, and this is my environment. Okay, you can change the environment here, choose which environment if you want to run the Python 2.7, then you can click the Python 2.7. you can want Python 2.7 something the Python. I am using Conda version Python 3.7. so which you want you can select here, you can choose here. Okay, so now we will learn how to install libraries. Okay, so you can see here this is the libraries Python, something like that. So I will install libraries. So go to here, you look at the project interpreter. Suppose that you are not, this is in your laptop, this is not opening this window, then go to project interpreter. That after that you can choose this type of Python 2.7 you can, and so all something like that. Okay, so now I will install these some libraries. Okay, so go to here, you can see here, go to here plus, yeah, and it will open the new window, available packages. Okay, and search here. So please wait. Yeah, so I am install OpenCV NumPy, yeah, NumPy, yeah, 9.1.1.90 something like that. Install packages. So now I will install package. Yeah, so click the install package. NumPy is a fundamental package for array computing with Python. Yeah, so basically NumPy is convert your image into binary for 0 to 1, between 0 to 1. Okay, and OpenCV is a very powerful library in Python, because when you will use OpenCV, it will import all the images, videos, and something like that. In the computer vision part, OpenCV is the very important library. Okay, so you can see here installing package NumPy. Yeah, it will take a time because it depends your net. So yeah, you can see here it will give a message, package NumPy installed successfully. And you can see here, close the window, you can see here NumPy, look at NumPy, yeah, NumPy, you can see here, and so on. You can install. Okay, then click OK. So go to here, run, and run After that choose the file name. Okay, so I have a file name is test1. Okay, click that, and after that it will run. You can see here Anand